Okay, here in this video, what we have is looks like a hyperbola. Okay, we want to write the equation of this hyperbola. So a hyperbola looks like this one opens vertically. Okay, so if your hyperbola opens up, you know it's going to be a y squared minus x squared type of a hyperbola. So our general equation is y minus k squared over something, we'll just call it a squared, minus x minus h squared over b squared equals 1. Okay, where h and k is the center of your hyperbola, right? And a is the distance you go in the y value, and b is the distance you go in the x. So we're going to use our graph here to figure all that information out. First of all, your center. So we have a center at 2 units left and 3 units up. So here's the center. That is at -2, 3. Okay, so now let's figure out the other thing. We're going to figure out from our center, we go up 2 units in the y direction, okay, and down 2 units also, but we're only really concerned about 1. And then in the x direction, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units in the x direction. So 2 units in the y direction from your center and 5 units in the x direction from your center, okay, to make your box, basically. And your box helps you graph your asymptotes so that you can sketch your hyperbola. So with all of our information, we can plug it right into this equation, okay, and it shouldn't take us but a couple of seconds. So y minus, the y coordinate of your center is 3, so y minus 3 squared over the distance we travel in the y, which is 2. 2 squared is going to be 4. So you always use the y distance underneath the y variable. Okay, minus x minus, in this case, a -2. So x minus -2 is a +2 squared over, we travel 5 units in the x direction from your center to the edge of your box. And so 5 squared is 25. And that needs to equal 1 in order to be here in our standard equation. Okay, and that's it. We're done. We take your picture, we identify the vertex, or rather the center, and we count how far we go from your center in your x direction, and we count from your center how far we go in the y direction. And you plug that into your formula, and you're done.